Hey there, fellow Outlook users. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to view a shared calendar in Outlook for 2025. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, managing family events, or just trying to stay organized, sharing calendars is a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating shared calendars like a pro. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Outlook 2025 installed and updated on your device. Open the app and head straight to the calendar view. You can do this by clicking on the calendar icon in the bottom left corner of the window. It's that simple. Now, to view a shared calendar, look for the Share tab at the top of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see an option that says Add Calendar or Shared with Me. Select that, and Outlook will prompt you to enter the email address or details of the person who's sharing the calendar with you. If you're on a Microsoft 365 account, this might auto-populate if permissions are already set. Once you've entered the details, hit Add or OK. Outlook will sync the shared calendar, and it should appear in your calendar list on the left sidebar. You can now view events from both your calendar and the shared one side by side. Pro tip: use the color coding feature to differentiate calendars. Right-click on the shared calendar and select Color to choose a standout hue. If you run into any issues, like permission errors, double-check that the sharer has granted you the right access levels. In 2025, Outlook has improved sharing options, so make sure to explore the new Advanced Permissions settings for smoother collaboration. And there you have it. Viewing a shared calendar in Outlook 2025 is straightforward and boosts your productivity big time. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.